Today's review is on the new and improved Majorette VW Polo WRC. The previous mainline release for the VW Polo is one of Majorette's best seller. Every collector is attracted to the livery, predominated by Red Bull. At the scale of 1:57, it's a huge casting, but nevertheless the proportion still looks okay and is welcomed by many collectors. What it doesn't have is the rubber wheel sets, which Majorette do not have any. Well, it doesn't come with an interior as well, which I believe Majorette is trying to cut costs, and it's really a setback which the casting is not complete without any interiors. And now let's take a closer look at the new and improved VW Polo WRC. The highlights are metal body, rubber tires, suspension, and it's also a licensed casting. And now let's get this VW Polo out from the blister. The collector box features the actual car with the driver, with a very simple design with the WRC logo, and also the Majorette casting at the side. Wow, this VW Polo looks fantastic. It now comes complete with an interior with added roll cage. The livery and the scale is totally identical to the mainline, everything is the same. It's just the difference between the interior and the wheel set. It also comes with suspension, and now the car looks more realistic and complete. When compared with the mainline, you really can't tell the difference in one glance because it's the same casting. It's also quite hard to differentiate the wheel set at a glance, which I think Majorette did a good job, and I believe that the VW Polo will still be one of Majorette's best sellers. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!